first integral double integral sigma f of x y z ds, where f of x y z is equal to z square. Sigma is the portion of the cone, z is equal to root of x square plus y square. Between the planes, z equal to 1 and z is equal to 3. In this case, we can take the projection on xy plane. Therefore, here we take z is equal to root of x square plus y square. Therefore, here ds is equal to root of dou z by dou x the whole square plus dou z by dou y the whole square plus 1. Z is equal to root of x square plus y square. Therefore, dou z by dou x is equal to 1 by 2 into root of x square plus y square, then into 2x the whole square plus 2y divided by 2 into root of x square plus y square the whole square, then plus 1. That is equal to 2 to cancel, this 2 to cancel. Therefore, root of x square plus root of x square plus y square, that is equal to x square plus y square plus y square by x square plus y square, then plus 1. Then this is equal to root of x square plus y square plus x square plus y square divided by x square plus y square. That is x square plus x square 2x square plus 2y square by x square plus y square. That is root 2. Therefore, ds is equal to, the value of ds is equal to root 2. Then we can write the equation as double integral sigma f x y z ds is equal to double integral sigma f x y z ds is equal to z square. Here z square, here z square is equal to x square plus y square. Therefore, x square plus y square, z is equal to x square plus y square. Z is equal to root of x square plus y square. Therefore, z square is equal to x square plus y square. X square plus y square. Then into ds is equal to root 2 into d. Root 2 into d. Therefore, double integral sigma f of x y z ds is equal to double integral sigma x square plus y square into root 2 dA. ds is equal to root 2 into d. Then we can take the projection. Here z is equal to root of x square plus y square. X square plus y square. We can draw. This is z, this is y, this is x. Then this is the cone. This is a cone. Here z equal to 1 and z equal to 3. We take this portion. Z equal to 1 and z equal to 3. When we project this on xy plane, this is the xy plane. This is xy plane. When we project it here, we get two circles. When we put z equal to 1, root of x square plus y square is equal to x square plus y square. Therefore, x square plus y square is equal to 1. That is a circle. We get a circle. We get a circle with radius 1. Radius 1. When z is equal to 3, 9 z equal to 3. 3 is equal to root of x square plus y square. Therefore, 9 is equal to x square plus y square. This is another circle. This r is equal to 3. Then we can do this problem by using polar form. By using polar form, double integral x square plus y square can be taken as r square into root 2. The dA is equal to dx. dA is equal to, we can take as r dr d theta. R dr d theta. Therefore, the limits of r. Here the limits of r. This is a portion of the chord. Z equal to 1, Z equal to this is a portion of the chord. This is projected into xy plane. Therefore, we get a ring. We take as a shape of a ring. When we look in projected this figure into xy plane, we get a ring. Therefore, the limits of radius is 1 and 3. And theta, the circle, 0 to 2 pi. Then we integrate, we will get the result. You can integrate this one. This is equal to root 2 taken outside, integral 0 to 2 pi, integral 1 to 3, r square into r cube dr d theta. That is root 2 into r cube integrate r raised to 4 divided by 4. 1 to 3. Root integral 0 to 2 pi r raised to 4 by 4 d theta. That is root 2 by 4 into r raised to 4, 3 raised to 4. 3 raised to 4 is equal to 81. 81. Then 0 to 2 pi d theta. That is root 2 by 4 into 81 into theta. When we integrate this one, theta, 2 pi. Therefore, cancel this 2, 4 and 2, that is equal to 2. Therefore, r raised to 4 by 4. 81 by 2. 81 minus here. When we take the limits, this lower limit is 1. Here, lower limit is 1. Therefore, root 2 by 4, 0 to 2 pi, 81 minus 1. 81 minus 1. R raised to 4, 81 minus 1. Lower limit 1 ആണ്. Upper limit 3 കൊടുക്കുമ്പോൾ 81. Lower limit 1, R1 d theta. That is root 2 by 4 into 80 into, when we integrate with theta, therefore theta 0 to 2 pi. That is root 2 by 4 into 80 into 2 pi. Therefore, 40 4 80 കൂടി 20. അപ്പോൾ 40 root 2 pi. The answer will be 40 root 2 pi.